Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruin to Refresh. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be expanding our range of service vehicles for our BP garage. In the last episode we restored the Elvis Stalwart exploration vehicle, and that looks now quite resplendent in its new coat of paint, and it's been cleaned up and added to the forecourt of the garage. And this time we're going to be doing a tanker, one of the three tankers that I've got that have got a BP logo on them. This is the Matchbox series number 32. It's the Leyland Petrol tanker, made in England by Leslie. I looked at this some time ago. I think I was practicing at drilling and tapping posts. So as you can see, this one's already got a post. The post's already been drilled out and a screw put in, but we didn't do the cab. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one. And I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox number 32 Leyland Petrol tanker. Nice simple little model this, and it'll be added to our BP service and sales station diorama. The actual vehicle itself splits into two, so you can do the tanker part and the bed and the cab separate. So obviously one in white, one in green, and then there's a little plastic front grille and headlight section. What we did with that was put that into some oven cleaner, stripped the chrome off it and resprayed it. The body was done in Medina green, and then we just used a standard white gloss for the tanker part. Also added a couple of new stickers. I've invested in a laser printer, so the stickers have come out nice. I'm waiting to get now some laser decal paper, and we'll be having a go with that at some point in the future. So there we go, a simple little model. Not sure what we're doing next, probably the wrecker truck next, I think. But we've also got a DMC build, the any TV or film theme event. So look forward to taking part in that, and you're welcome to come and join us. You can find us on Facebook on the DMC, the Diecast Modelers Community. Yeah, there you go then. The Matchbox number 32 Leyland Petrol tanker. Enjoyed doing this one. Hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next one. This is PJ signing off. Till next time. Cheers.